All right, guys, the next item on our list is this 2015 dark gray limited Tacoma. This thing has 235,000 miles, and just stepping back and look at it, check out them chrome wheels. Them things not look nice.
They look good, man. I love the chrome on this truck.
This truck is super nice. All the damage it looks like is up here. They've got everything marked. It looks like a spotted Dalmatian. That's little dents and cosmetic defects, but up here is what took the most of the damage. But it is a nice truck. You think we should leave it on the list?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it on the list. We're gonna see what it does. And what do you think about the chrome on this truck? Comment below and let us know. Well, guys, welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. And you know what? We did it again. We just bought another Toyota Tacoma, and this sucker is a second gen. She's a 2015 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive limited. It's got a pretty high mileage. It's sitting at like 234,000. But I still think that there's a lot of life left in this truck. We picked her up at Copart, and as you can see right here, it's got some front end damage, and they've just kind of marked it all over. We went and looked at it. We really liked it. It finally came up for auction, and it sold twice. But the last time it still only sold for $7,300, and they just didn't want to take that. So they put the truck up for $9,900, and well, we went ahead and bought it with fees and delivery and all of that. The truck came out to be $11,098. But look, it's got a brand new set of BF Goodrich KO2s on it. And then mostly the damage is concentrated up front in this area. There's a little bit, like all the markings on the side, those really don't mean anything. Most of that stuff will buff out. But it's got a pretty good dent up here on this side. And that's the biggest thing that it's got going on. And then the tailgate looks pretty good. It's got a couple of scratches, but those will buff right out. But for whatever reason, we can't get into that. And then over here on this side was kind of the same way. It's just got a bunch of marks, which those little things will buff out, and that's really not anything. But it's got a pretty good dent right here. We're gonna have to work that out. I wish my PDR skills were better. And then it's got another one, pretty good dent right there. So looking onto that dent, that's pretty good. We're gonna fix that. Inside, we've got leather, and it's really nice. Like that seat is real nice. It's got heated seats. I mean, it's a really nice truck. It's got a good options. It's not an off-road. It is a limited. And check back in the back. Like those seats are really, really nice. We've got all the floor mats piled up here. The battery was completely dead. Had to just replace that. Check that out. Got the original owner's manual. So after we changed the battery, she fires right up with no issues at all. And check that out. Not one single light on the dash. Does have 234,000. It's nothing for a Tacoma. So here lately, we've been jumping on these things and fixing them as fast as we can. I've already ordered a brand new hood, a brand new fender, new grill, a new headlight. So let's go ahead and get this thing washed and get it cleaned up and get it ready to get up to the booth so we can get some of this stuff fixed and painted. And this truck will be on its way for another 200,000 miles down the road. Let's get to work. Well, it is the next day here, and we're gonna head on up to the shop, this truck, and start getting some of these dents fixed. We got our new parts in, so we're gonna get that hood painted and the fender painted and get some of these dents fixed. We got some quick dry primer. We're gonna put that on and see how much of this truck we can get done today. So let's hop to it. Let's get straight to work and get some of this work done. This has been a morning of work. Like in the last 4 hours, we've got a ton of work done. We fixed those spots that needed fixing and got that primed in. Our new hood had just a little bit of a spot on it. We fixed that. We fixed that front fender. We fixed that A-pillar. Fixed the top of the roof right here. And that stuff turned out really, really good. We got that brand new hood all sanded down and ready for some paint. We got the brand new fender installed and sanded down and ready for some paint. Then we've de-trimmed our door and got that ready for some blend. It's hard to see, but we've already painted the back side of this hood and trimmed out our fender. So we're gonna give that primer about 30 minutes to dry. We're pulling this truck in the booth. We're gonna get it all painted so we can start putting it back together. Just a lot of fun to make a lot of progress all at once on these things. So let's get started. Let's get back to the booth and let's get it all taped up and get this thing painted today. believe it or not, all in one day, we got this truck right back to where it's at right now. We got everything all painted, everything fixed, all the body work done. Now it's a 2015, it's got 234,000 miles, so we can't make it look like a 2024. Tried out some new platinum clear coat. We found it from this place in Florida. So we ordered that. It wasn't terribly expensive. It's got a really nice shine to it. And we painted the hood and we painted the fender, and then we blended onto that door. I had to do a little bit of body work on this fender also. So we just kind of blended onto the fender and stayed off of the door on this side. And we got that A-pillar looking 100%. Man, that looks good. Well, now we got to get this thing put back together, see how it all looks, because it's a beautiful truck and it's going to be an immaculate truck for somebody that's going to love this thing. So let's jump on that and let's get some of this stuff done. Well, I got the new headlights put in. There's nothing really special about these things. They're just aftermarket headlights, come off of eBay. Then this is the grill that was in the bed. It's missing the center section and we're missing our grill. And while we wait on our grill to come in, I've been working on cleaning up the inside, kind of getting it ready to go, looking better. We got our emblem just waiting on that grill. And check this little thing out. This truck is a member of Toyo Guard. Matter of fact, it's an elite member of Toyo Guard. But check out this little detail kit. Got some exterior detail, we got some interior detail, and then we got some tire shine and a little bit of cleaning cloth, and that is just cool. And I don't know, with this truck, there's something about the chrome. I'm just digging it. And what do you think about the chrome on this truck? Comment below and let us know. We still got a little bit of work to do, and we'll be ready to do a price breakdown on this truck. Hopefully that grill, she's gonna come in tomorrow. We'll get it bolted in, finish getting it cleaned up, and then we'll let y'all know exactly how much we've got invested in this truck. That completed this rebuild of this 2015 Toyota Tacoma Limited. I really love these second gens, and I love this part of the video when we get to completely break down the price for you. So we paid $9,900 from Copart, buy it now. They tacked on $1,078 worth of fees. We paid $120 shipping to have it shipped. And then we paid $19 for a new tailgate handle. We paid $125 for a new hood, $75 for a new fender. We bought that platinum clear coat for $68, $63 for the grill, $13 for headlight brackets, and $83 for those new headlights, which brings our grand total in this truck, all inclusive, we're at $11,544. What we really want to know is how much you think it's worth and how much you think we can sell it for. We love reading all the comments, so leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about it. And I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. But several of you have asked for an update on the Nissan Titan and the 07 Tacoma. So we're going to get to work on that video, and who knows, maybe we'll have sold this one by that time. I'm thinking that we should probably ask somewhere around $16,900 for this truck, but definitely let us know what you think it's worth. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before you too. And we'll catch you guys next time in the next episode. Who knows what we'll find.